Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, indaba ephumayo ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs they are considering ukuthenga uPhuso Dithejane back abambuyise laphana ku Kaizer Chiefs. Umfana waye ku DDC team bamhambisa. In fact azange just bamhambisa bamxosha because of they refuse kuba abo ball boy yena nomdaka. I can't remember the third player but ke yena mekhuluma ku interview uthi Kaizer Chiefs bavele bathi babaxosha bathi abahambe laphana eNaturena bahamba kanjalo. And then sebahambile Kaizer Chiefs yathi ifuna 1.5 million kuma play. I can't remember ukuthi leya case yasolve kanjani ukuthi bayithola le 1.5 or bagcine bahamba mahala ama player. I don't remember because abanye they were linked with amaZulu before bajoin amanye ama team. Umdaka wajoin Cape Town no Stellenbosch, and then umfethu wajoin TS Galaxy. I mean after some time ke manje kuphuma ama reports ukuthi they're thinking about umbuyise. Kanjani? I mean this thing is just embarrassing because Kaizer Chiefs they had this gold in front of them. Umfana sedlale kahle kakhulu laphana ku Betway Premiership bafethu una 4 goals, unamagola una 4 assists or 4 goals plus 3 assists in all this season nje laphana ku Betway Premiership, una 7 contributions. Cabanga una 28 just 21 is one of the most influential players laphana ku Betway Premiership. Nebafana coach same noticeile umfana because bamselectile laphana ku squad, ku prelim squad, not the final squad but prelim squad esizodlala neZambia this month laphana ku friendly game. I don't know man. Sengiyayibona ke le link le ubo Farouk Khan bebakhuluma ngayo ukuthi there is no good link between the Kaizer Chiefs DDC team ne senior team because maningi ama player ahambile ku Kaizer Chiefs but only to find out ukuthi ama good players basayina ama player throughout the years abangekho sure ngawo afika ngadeliver ku Kaizer Chiefs. Khumbula ukuthi lama players lawa aza ngama big salaries kanti they have to trust their development more. And lento lokuthi bafuna ukuletha uPhuso Dithejane ayiqala manje bafethu yaqala even last year. I remember it was late last year Tiba reported to Kaizer Chiefs they're thinking of ukushaya i-U10 laphana for umfana. But ke manje uzobadurela. Imagine ubone player bozolipromota mahala but manje sokumele ulithenga uTS Galaxy. TS Galaxy ke ayi bazodimanda kakhulu. Same thing uNdamane, mbheka uNdamane ukuthi wenze ibukwayo kanjani laphana ku TS Galaxy. I mean wait asiyeni la from under 14 Kaizer Chiefs ama champions yini iGauteng Developmental League or iGDL leya khona ama champions manda under 14 under banibani bayawina but ke i-transition inkinga enkulu isuke ibe lapha mabaya ku senior team ku senior side ukuthi i-transition ayikho smooth, the players are delayed, abanye bagcine badlala lise ku DDC team. So uthi yambheka umuntu ku DDC team una 21 and then intanga zakhe ziyahamba isikhathi siyahamba but uKaizer Chiefs abakampromote. Same thing kwenzeka same thing manje kubani umfana Xolani Xosa ule Botswana naye already besifuna i-TS Galaxy siyamdonsa Kaizer Chiefs yamnika professional contract yamloan but mawubheke ya contradict le ndaba eKaizer Chiefs. Ulo Kaizer Mtaung ngihlezi ngikhuluma ngestatement sakhe ayisho straight that bona basafuna ukulona ama player because of ama player bayawalona afika ngatholi i-game time lapha kube i-waste but abawapromote amanye ama player right lapha na ku Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs they were develop ama player to the highest level. There is no need bafowethu ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ithenga ama player yazi. There is no need ukuthi ithenga ama player amaningi ngaleyo ndlela because i-DDC team yabo even uyabona sibheka i-DDC kuphela sibheka ama-under 17 ama-under banibani uzobona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ine super talent bayakwazi ukuscout ama player bascout ama players are good but ke amanye agcina angafikanga lapha ku senior team. Namhlanje njengoba ngikhuluma manje player la uKaizer Chiefs tishaye assist under 17 World Cup. So I mean come on now labantu laba banama player but ke yibo abangazi ukuthi benzeni ngama player abanawo. They have everything in front of them but ke yibo abangazi ukuthi badile kanjani nalama player lawa anawo abanawo bawa introduce kanjani ama player and then I bridge between I first team ne development side yabo ibe kanjani bafowethu. They just have to fix that and then once they fix that bazoba right. And akusihuye umuntu oqala kumhambisa abaphinde okay maybe abanye kunika naye development ya Kaizer Chiefs wahamba waphinde wabuye. Umaboy development ya Kaizer Chiefs wahamba waphinde wabuye. Umdansane development ya Kaizer Chiefs wahamba waphinde wabuye. But umdansane siyazi ukuthi izinto vela zange zimhambele kahle to be honest, to be fair. mebuya laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs because bekumele bamlone azange ibe right imove yakhe laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke it shows ukuthi they are able to develop ama-players aphinde abuye. But yeah man, what a player if they decide to sign him back, but obviously what a waste of money at the same time. Ukuthi ube nomuntu ahambe mahhala kuthiwa-ke masomfuna back i-10 million uzothini. But I like the interview kaPhuso Tejane a few days back ethi yena is open to going back to Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo i-player obvious naye i-move, I mean makukhuluma yena umfana ukuthi there's nothing wrong, there's nothing anayo against i-Kaizer Chiefs. If i-move yafika ukuthi abuyele ku-Kaizer Chiefs or Kaizer Chiefs ine-interest, is open to that move. Hayi ukuthi ngoba waxoshwa wahamba ngendlela ahambe ngayo. I think Kaizer Chiefs nabo they will be matured enough ukuthi ingane beyingafuni ukwenza something, but obviously beyinama-valid reason according to yena uthi bekanama-valid reason because of bengafuni ukuba ama-ball boy because of bebodlala the very next day igame yaku-DDC team. You can't lose a gem like this. I don't think khona i-team ubheka ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns yenzani bafowethu. I wanna make i-example ngeMamelodi Sundowns. Ama-players weMamelodi Sundowns bafowethu are-good laphana ayaloma bayawanika i-first team contract, bawalone for 10 years if kumele babalone for 10 years. Obosibanyoni I think angeni kuma-player eMamelodi Sundowns because ngaze abaningi kakhulu abeMamelodi Sundowns, but abakaze baba ku-senior team babalone for isikhathi. I mean u-Ighodaro nangu iplayer leMamelodi Sundowns but bamlona for 5 years. Oh man, ngicela ukulungisa lephutha lami, iplayer le-Kaizer Chiefs uNeo Buhlokwa ka-assistanga ushaya igoli, ushayile igoli ku-FIFA World Cup Under-17 labe bashaya iBolivia khona 3-1. I mean umvilakazi ubuya ku-Under-20 World Cup nabanye akusiwuye kuphela, I think bebayi-4 ngakho laphana ku-World Cup. They're able to produce ama-players, but how do they keep those players and make sure ukuthi even if they're not ready to get game time because of maybe low position kunzima, but ke benza kanjani ukuthi ama-player abe right, and then how do they combine namanye ama-player ukuthi bakwazi ukubalone if kumele babalone if bona bafuna ukubagcina for some time, ngoba manje mesehamba ama-player. Imagine uNdamane uhambe just before the beginning of the season laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-DDC team, manje ufuna iMamelodi Sundowns kakhulu. In fact amanye ama-reports athi sesayinile neMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi akakafiki kuMamelodi Sundowns, nanokuthi usayinile and then bathi bazolinda i-next season, ngathi i-agreement yabo neMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi vele uzojoina iMamelodi Sundowns 100%. So yeah, sobona bafethu ukuthi uPhuso Tejane uzokwazi ukubuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs, and lo muntu lo sekathole ama-2, in fact I think unabo ama-4 or 5 man of the matches, but ama-man of the match are-important kakhulu we-Carling knockout. Why important? Because uthole 200,000 rands kuma-man of the match awu-2 we-Carling knockout. Umfana is becoming one of the biggest stars with South African football. Akusiwuye kuphela laphana khona noMahlambi. I-TS Galaxy nama-player njalo ihlezi nama-player ashisayo abazowathengisa the following season. Baze badla oTeam Sukazi. Cela ukuyibamba la sobona ukuthi azodevelopa kanjani lama-room ukuthi yogcina efikile ku-Kaizer Chiefs noma kuzofika i-team yase-Europe, because uTeam Sukazi uyakwazi ukuhambisa abafana baye kuboma-Europe, baye kuma-different parts of the world. Akabhekanga nje i-South African market nje kuphela, but ubheke i-market yomhlaba wonke. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.